Okay, I've got this little helicopter and I've stuck one of these little spy what you call them, key fob cameras underneath there that you can get on eBay for, I don't know, 12 quid, something like that, and it takes a little 4 gig SD card. This is the little key fob camera, and as I was saying, I've basically used this self-adhesive hook and eye velcro and stuck it round, so I've stuck the two pieces back to back, so you can put the camera on like that, wrap that piece up around the helicopter, and then that basically round and over it. Obviously this is a little bit too long, so I could reduce the weight by snipping this off, but for the first try I thought I'll add a little bit more and wrap it round to make sure that the camera doesn't shake free. Now the buttons are up on the top in there. I've marked off on the side on, you can't really see it very clearly, and record. Now basically what I'll have to do is push them with a matchstick or something to make them go on and off. I don't think they'll get pushed by the thing when it's functioning, so that should be alright. So it's fairly secure and dead fast to put it on there, and it's on a slight angle, which is probably the angle you want it on. So I've never flown one of these, so I imagine I'm going to fly it straight into a wall or a tree or into the neighbour's garden, and I'm not going to be able to fish it back, but I'm going to have a little go and see what I can do with it. You never know, I might be able to take some video with it. Ideally what I want to do is I want to get it up over my house and video details like up on the chimney stack up there where it needs pointing. I also want to have a look in guttering, things like that, but I don't really want to fly it too close to the house today because it's my first time at flying it, and I'll end up smashing a window on the house or end up with the helicopter stuck on the roof. I may be tempted, it depends on how good I seem to be at flying it, and you only get about 20 minutes flying time on this, so and with the camera attached it might be even less, so 15-10 maybe. It's not a very heavy camera though, it's one of these little SD card cameras. Well, it flew over the house anyway, straight over the house, hit the tree and collapsed. So much for controlling it. It does fly higher than I expected though. but stability wise is bloody awful.